Myself, Mr. Raghunath Narayan Sambre, KVP Mahavidyalay, Pandharpur, Department of Chemistry. Welcome again for BSc 3 students in practical purpose. In previous practicals, we have to just discuss our conductivitic titration in between weak acid and strong base or alkali. Here, the remaining part may be like in case of the three weights. One of them is the graphical representation, second one is here calculation, and last one that is one of our results. Out of them, we have to just represent here the nature of graph in the form of here the observed conductance. Here about just nature of graph. The nature of graph is copied in the form of here two parts. One of them is y-axis and second one is the x-axis. Out of them we have to plot the nature of graph on y-axis, that is observed conductance, and for x-axis the ml of alkali added here. Just we know we have to see about our observation table, and those observation table may be like here, that is serial numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on up to here, that is a 21 here. Because of without addition of alkali we have to take first readings. Then we have to say about here, that is a ml of alkali added in ml. Already we have to represent here ml of alkali added here, and those may be like here first one 0.00 ml, secondly 0.5, thirdly here 1.0, then 1.5 and so on up to the point, and those reading may be like here, that is a 10 up to here 10 ml. This is our addition of alkali. Let me know about in case of last point, that is observed conductance in yes, that is Simon. Those reading may be represented in the manner here, that is a dash dash into 10 raised to minus 3 up to here dash 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 into 10 raised to here minus 3. This is our readings here. We know about the addition 0.00 ml we have observed the conductance. Then those reading may be like here, that is a 0.375 into 10 raised to minus 3, and the reading with addition of this alkali, just we have to increase, decrease, and then finally those reading will be increases. By the way, we have to just plot the nature of graph in the form of here. Let me know about, I also represent here the nature of graph in the manner here. This is one of here x-axis and second that is y-axis. Say about this one here y-axis, this one here that is a x-axis. Let us remember here, just we have to first of all we have to represent on this graph, that is a graph of dash dash versus dash dash. Firstly we have to represent on the top of the nature of graph here. By the way, we have to just come to observe our particular readings, and we have to write on this corner of this nature of graph. That's like here scale. Scale we have to write in the form of here on x-axis, second on here x-axis. This is our particular scale. Like about this one here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10 and so on. And then here we have to write here, that is a observed conductance. These situations, and for x-axis is ml of here alkali added exactly. these situations here. Know about this one particular terms. At the first being, we have to observe our observation table. Without addition of alkali, we have to come in contact about here this point here. This point, particularly this point, without addition of alkali. Then just those nature will be decrease. This second point, third point, fourth point, sixth point, seventh point. After addition of this alkali, the nature of graph will be decreases firstly. Then due to the equivalence point or completion neutralization, the nature of graph will be here increases, just like here about first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, and so on. Let us just remark about this nature of graph. How many points will we come in contact in case of our just same as it is, we have to represent it about this nature of graph. Here, the cross of these two lines to each other, we have to count about this particularly, that is x, or we can call that is the P2 ml of alkali added, which indicated here, that is end point of this titrations here, isn't it? This is a particular nature of graph, and just we have to represent by using here our observation table. The nature of graph is as it is. After completion of this part, we have to come in contact about the second point, that is the actual calculations. We have to just find out here the normality of given acids. By the situations, we have to just know about how the calculations are made about this titrations here. Just like here calculations, we have to use here acid correspond to here, that is alkali. We have to use here weak acid, and those like here there is a acetic acid corresponds to here, that is base, that is a 0.2 normal NaOH solutions. Between those we have to find out the titrations, and we will obtain one particular point, that is the end point of these titrations, isn't it? That is a P2 or equivalence point. Let me know about we have to use here N1 P1 correspond to here these N2 P2. Here N1 is the normality of acid. We have to just find out. P1 we have to take amount of acid in beaker by means of the pipette, that is a 10 ml. Then N2 normality of alkali, that is strong base, that is a 0.2 normals here, and volume P2, which one here we have to obtain by addition of this alkali in the beaker to neutralize or obtain an equivalence point. That's like a P2 here. We have to select these values and we have to take for that calculations, and then we have to convert this factor or formula to calculate here the amount of the normality of acid here. N1 is equal to, just like here we have to use here N1 P1. Remaining like that is a N2 P2. We know here N2 is equal to 0.2 normal, P2 is equal to amount of alkali required for the neutralization, that is V2. We have to take these values. For examples, I also take here this value may be like in the form of here, that is a just like here, that is a 5.0 ml, isn't it? Just imagine here the neutralization value or equivalence point will obtain about 5.0 ml. Then we have to represent it, and this V1 is equal to 10 ml. We have to already put it. We know that value here. Then we have to just represent, therefore N1 is equal to 0.2 N2 value into 5.0 P2 value, and P1 already that is a 10 ml. Like about this one, just we have to calculate Multiplication factor like here 5 into 0.2, that is 1, divided by 10. Those like here, therefore n1 is equal to 1.0 divided by here 10 is equal to maybe like here there is a 0.1 normal, that is a normality of acid. Which acid here? Weak acid here. Let me know about these particular parts. This is just a calculations by what is the nature of graph. And by the way, again we have to come in contact about your third part, and those third part may be like here. Which one here? That is result, third part. Those results may be like in case of the chlorides. When we like here, equivalence point of the titration, and second one that is the normality of acid. Those isolated area. This is the first equivalence point is equal to 5.0 ml. Already we know, just we have to take this value for the calculations, isn't it? Then second part may be like here, there is a normality of acid is equal to, just we have to calculate, and those will be like here 0.1 yan. That is a normal. Just remember about a simple titration which depends upon our conductometry. The aim of that experiment, that is a titration of weak acid with the strong alkali. We have to just complete it. I wanted you to clear for all the students, and we have to take pages from market, and just we have to represent all the experiments which are conducted in our laboratory. Just I have so given a demo to you, and just we have to clarify clearly all those parts included about these experiments. Okay, thank you very much.